Okay, Cubana dey for VI. Keja.
No. I mean, I dey find Obi Cubana.
Obi Cubana.
Yes. He shot you.
Why you?
Obi Cubana. Oh.
Wetin we no go see for Lagos. Eko ile oh. Wetin we no go see for Lagos. Oh. Yeah. Put up your clothes and buckle up your shoes. Stand up on your feet and no day they lose. You got to grind just to live a better life. For last kitty, brother no be my job. I left my village at an stand up as a soldier and strike go. This day goes to make money, you got to grind. Welcome to the ghetto.
See, I am looking for Obi Cubana.
What's up with him?
I say I dey look for Obi Cubana.
I don't understand. That's why you're panting. You're sweating.
I beg you, Obi Cubana. That photo.
Wetin we no go see for Lagos. Eko ile oh. Wetin we no go see for.
Oh, no, like, please, I have one more for you. 1 minute.
Taxi man.
Photo. This man. Thank you, Father. Thank you, Father. Thank you, Father.
What's happening? Why are you running? Like say you don't lost. What's happening?
I am looking for Obi Cubana.
This is what I got for you.
Thank you, Father. Obi Cubana. Obi Cubana.
Why is embarrassment? Why know you? Why are you embarrassing me? Who are you? Please, who is he?
Taxi man. What's happening now? Look at the way you're panting. Who are you looking for? Cubana.
Please, if you see Obi Cubana, tell her say I need urgent 2K. I beg. Jesus! Taxi man still not go. Hey, what?